You ready, little girl? This first face is always the best. Oh, holy cow. Good job. Good job, little girl. 9. Here you go. Yep. Kind of looking at it. Gotta get it in the mouth. She's like, I don't know what Daddy's doing. There we go. That was a good bite. Hey. Ah.
Just jam it in there. There you go.
Well, it's hard when she sticks her tongue through the roof of her mouth. You can't really pry it down.